I know a lot of you love me to look for shells. And right off the top of my thing, we find a olive. Whoops, just got wet. Didn't take my sneakers off. See what else we can find. I always like these. There's a slipper. There's another olive. They tell me up on the East Coast, as you go up into the Carolinas or whatever have you, a lot of people call these roly-polies. That's nice that the top is gone. I'm going to save that. Somebody may want that. Cat's paw. That's nice. Okay, I know you shell people, that's not enough time shelling, but that's all you're going to get for today. Oh. Well, I thought it was just sticking out of the ground, but I was sand, but not enough of it.